Google Gemini Gems is, hands down, the easiest way to get started with AI agents right now. You literally only need a simple description to set one up. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through building two incredibly practical AI employees, a YouTube strategist to help you crack the traffic formula, and a designer to automatically generate your visuals. Master this workflow, and it's basically like hiring a professional team that's on call 24/7 for free. Now let me show you the exact steps. Open up Google Gemini and click on the left sidebar. You'll see Gem. Click on that. Then scroll down and hit New Gem. This is where we start building a brand new AI agent. First, we're going to build a YouTube Strategist AI agent. Before you publish a video on YouTube, you have to fill in the video details. This step is crucial because it helps YouTube's algorithm understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. So getting this right is very important. Now, I'm going to build a gem to help me accurately fill this information out for every single video. Step 1, let's give it a name. YouTube Strategist. The core part is the instructions. This directly determines the quality of the AI agent's output. Here, I'm going to describe my requirements. You are a seasoned YouTube strategist and SEO expert with millions of followers. You specialize in creating high-center titles and algorithm-friendly keyword strategies to maximize video traffic. Based on the video content I provide, generate a complete YouTube publishing package for me, including title, description, tags, and hashtags. Here comes the best feature. You can simply click this icon, and Gemini will automatically optimize the prompt for you. See, it's already polished it up for me, but of course, if you want to change it, you can manually tweak it anytime. Next up is Default Tool. Since we just need it to generate copy, we'll select No Default Tool here. But just a side note, if you want it to generate images, select Nano Banana. If it's for programming or writing tasks, select Canvas. If you want it to teach you step by step like a teacher, you can choose Guided Learning. And if you're a paid Gemini user, you can even choose VO to generate videos, or use Deep Research for in-depth research. Moving on to knowledge. Basically, you can feed the agent your own data to make it an expert in a specific field. You can pull files from your computer, drive, photos, or even Notebook LM. Here, I'm uploading a file called Core YouTube Content Rules. For example, it includes rules like *optimal length, under 60 characters. Reason: longer titles get cut off on mobile with hiding the key message. It also has tips for thumbnails, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Now let's test it out in the input panel on the right. I'm going to use a script from one of my YouTube videos to see if the agent can generate the title, description, and tags based on the text. I'll upload the document and hit send. That was fast. The output is clearly based on the content of the file I uploaded. If you're not fully satisfied or have your own ideas, you can ask the gem to make tweaks. For example, type "Give me a few more title ideas," and it will generate more options for you. Once everything looks good, click Save to store this AI agent. Now it's ready for action. I'll grab a link to one of my previous videos, paste it in, and hit Send. The agent will analyze the link to help optimize the title, description, tags, and more. Next, head over to the video details page on YouTube. Using the title A/B testing feature, which supports up to 3 options, we can pick 2 of the AI-generated titles and paste them right in. This lets us see which title actually drives better results. Next, we'll create another AI agent specifically for generating thumbnail images. Enter the title, thumbnail, then add the following instructions. You are a YouTube strategist and lead graphic designer with proven experience scaling channels to over 1M subscribers. Apply high-center psychology and advanced visual storytelling to generate high-quality, eye-catching, high-conversion thumbnails for long-form YouTube videos using the nano_banana image generation tool. Click Optimize Prompt. Since we're generating images, choose nano_banana. Then upload a few high-performing thumbnail images as visual references. Now go back to the previous YouTube Strategist AI agent. Based on the video content, it has already generated thumbnail concepts. Simply copy one of those concepts and paste it into the thumbnail agent. In seconds, the AI will generate a thumbnail image that matches your requirements. You can download the image, but it will include a Gemini icon. In my previous video, I showed how to build a simple, free tool using Gemini to remove watermarks. If you're interested, you can follow that tutorial and build it yourself. Upload the downloaded image into the watermark removal tool, use the brush to paint over the Gemini icon, then click Auto Remove Watermark. The watermark is gone. Just click Download and you're done. The AI agents we've just built can also be shared, edited, and reused. On top of that, Google has already preloaded a bunch of official AI agents that you can try out. For example, this one called Storybook. Once you open it, you'll see that it comes with preset prompts. Let's click the first one and give it a try. After a short wait, boom, a children's storybook is generated automatically. From here, you can share it, download it, or even have it read aloud. And if you want to make changes, you can simply ask Gemini. For example, I type, change the language from English to Chinese. Give it a moment, and just like that, the entire story is translated into Chinese. In addition, Gems Made by Labs includes a wide range of pre-built AI agents. On the lifestyle and creative side, there's Recipe Genie, which turns the ingredients you have on hand into creative dishes. Interior Designer, which helps redesign and style your space. And Fashion Stylist, which curates your overall look. For work and business scenarios, there are also powerful assistants such as Marketing Maven for strategy planning, Blog Post Writer for content creation, and Business Profiler for market insights. Let's start by trying Recipe Genie. And you'll see detailed step-by-step instructions on the left. Click Start. Upload a photo of a potato, and it quickly generates a recipe in HTML format. Click Download E, and you can open it directly in your browser. Next, let's try Interior Designer. Again, you can first review the instructions, upload a photo of an unfurnished room, and then enter the style you want, such as Mediterranean. The image is generated very quickly, and the result looks great. If you want to switch to a different style, click Remix, enter Modern Luxury, and finally click Download to save it. So that's how you use Google Gemini Gems. Basically, any prompt you find yourself using over and over again can be turned into your own personal AI agent. What kind of agents are you planning to build? Or if you've got a better workflow, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on AI agents and tools. See you in the next one.